Hey, it's Cal from Growing Up Garden. On today's episode, I'm going to give you guys an update and show you guys how my potato towers are doing. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about my fingerling varieties that I have growing in these two containers here, and I want to talk about my irrigation system. So first we're going to talk about the potatoes. So after I buried the potatoes on the last episode with straw, these two on the right hand side started dying off, or they basically stopped growing, and the leaves are super like wilted in this box. And I don't know if that's because the fingerlings don't like being towered, or maybe I don't know. They're not growing as fast as the other varieties next to it. Same with the rose fin apple. They're growing a lot slower. At least these are all alive, and the leaves aren't wilting on this variety. But I just thought it was kind of strange that the two potatoes in the beginning that were the biggest have basically stopped growing and are dying now. I still have one in that box, which is good. Hopefully I can make it, it'll make it to the top for our experiment. But I mean, you can see the difference in size between the fingerlings and the other two varieties. This is the Kennebec here, and back behind there is the all blue potato. I'll give you a shot, close up of that. This one is doing the best by far, the Kennebec variety. You can't even see the straw because of all the leaves, all the growth. And all four potatoes are alive and well. So here's the all blue potato. This one has 3 potatoes in it still. I had to bury one of them that was a runt a few episodes back. But everything's doing good. They're actually flowering. It's got some beautiful purple flowers on it. The Kennebec's flowering also. I'll give you a shot of the flowers. So those are the towers. So I just got done filling up my towers, and this box right here with the banana fingerling, the 2 potatoes that were on the right hand side, I don't think they're gonna make it, so I went ahead and covered them up because this guy needed to be buried. Hopefully this one makes it to the top and we get some banana fingerlings out of this box. If I don't get any banana fingerlings out of this box, I do have some potatoes planted over here in this row in the ground traditionally, and the ones in the ground are doing really good. Give you guys a shot. These are all the varieties that I'm growing in my towers, but just in the ground. And I'm mounding these potatoes as they grow up a little bit. I got my zucchinis there, which are doing great. So I'm going to talk a little bit about my irrigation system that I recently set up to water the potato towers. So today is actually the first hot day of the year. It's almost 100 degrees out here right now. So I want to get this video done with quickly because I'm sweating. So what I did is I purchased some Miracle-Gro soaker hose, and I connected it to my irrigation system. I'll show you guys the connection quickly. So this is just a 5/8 drip tubing, and I've got the soaker hose stuffed in there, and I'm actually going to do a video and show you how to connect soaker hose to the 5/8 drip tubing without using any kind of coupler that you can get at Home Depot. This is actually a great method that I came up with. Super simple, super easy, so stay tuned to see that episode, guys. So the soaker hose just kind of wraps around some of my other plants. Got the zucchini there, goes through these potatoes, and then what I did is I just coiled it around each potato tower. It's hard to see because I got all kinds of stuff laying on the ground. goes around and it basically waters right at the bottom, right where the roots are. So the potatoes are only maybe about 4 inches in the ground, and the water is just, you know, moistening the dirt or the compost, soil, whatever you want to call it, right at the base, which is, yeah, it's still nice and moist, which is perfect for watering my potato towers. And then every once in a while I'll put, you know, if I have the garden hose out, I'll just put a little water, you know, down in here in the middle, just to make sure they're getting water. Or I'll put my compost tea down below just to, you know, hit the root zone. Alright guys, so that's the end of my update video. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. That'll keep you guys up to date on when I post my latest potato tower videos. And I'm also trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'd really appreciate you guys if you would subscribe. It would really help me out. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.